At 6, rehearing request. Several lawmakers are asking the Indiana Supreme Court to revisit a decision it made last week. Good evening, I'm Mark Mellinger.
And I'm Heather Herron. The ruling basically says people can't physically resist a police officer coming into their home, even if it's an illegal entry. Instead,
it says the homeowner's recourse should be through the courts. But a lot of people are saying the court's opinion takes away people's Fourth Amendment rights. News Channel 15's Alyssa Ivinson has more on our top story from News Control tonight. And Alyssa, a lot of elected officials are telling you the court should reconsider.
That's right. Several lawmakers that I spoke with today told me the court's ruling is just too broad. Even Attorney General Greg Zeller is supporting a rehearing. The case at issue surrounds a 2007 incident when a man shoved a police officer trying to come into his apartment. The officer was responding to a domestic violence call. Last week, the Indiana Supreme Court upheld the man's conviction of battery on a law enforcement officer, but then went a step further, saying, quote, "We decline to recognize the right to reasonably resist an unlawful police entry." The court says that will stop violence from escalating. Instead, people should take the matter to the court system.
The court could have decided on that issue. Instead, they threw out our citizens' right to protect their property and themselves.
State Senator Mike Young says that decision hurts Indiana's self-defense laws. He's now working with other lawmakers to ask the court to reconsider its decision.
I agree with Senator Young that we should, in fact, look at ways to give them an opportunity to make sure that people are protected in their homes.
And I just don't think that's right to force a citizen to have to go through the court system versus merely blocking the door of their property.
Even Attorney General Greg Zeller is supporting a rehearing, saying it would, quote, afford the Supreme Court the opportunity to clarify any misperceptions regarding people's right to be secure in their homes, even against unlawful entry by police.
Hopefully the court will take a reconsideration of the issue and more narrowly define their decision as to that particular case.
I also spoke with Representative Phil Giaquinta on the phone today, and he agrees that the court's decision is too broad. Live in News Control, Alyssa Ivinson, News Channel 15.